Welcome to day 12. We're doing a guided meditation on the power of volunteering today. We're exploring how acts of service not only help others, but also transform us, deepening our connection to the world. Volunteering doesn't have to be monumental. It doesn't have to be rebuilding homes after disasters, offering comfort after tragedies. It could be simply helping a neighbor or a family member. These acts of kindness remind us that we're not alone and create ripples of connection and compassion globally. Now, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position and close your eyes if you'd like. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Do this 3 more times, grounding yourself with each breath. Continue by visualizing yourself offering help in a community. Perhaps you're planting trees, preparing meals, or sitting with someone in need. Feel the warmth of connection as your actions create a positive impact. Notice how your heart feels as you give your time and energy. Volunteering reminds us that we're part of something greater, erasing the illusion of separation and replacing it with compassion and unity. It brings joy and purpose, grounding us in gratitude and showing us that even in difficult times, there is always something we can do. Somehow we can give back. We receive connection, meaning, and peace by doing this. 5 ways that we can volunteer include: number 1, help a neighbor. Offer to run errands, mow their lawn, or just check in on them to see how they're doing. Small acts can brighten someone's day. Number 2, support a local food bank. Volunteer to sort donations or serve meals to needy people. Number 3, participate in community cleanups. Join others in cleaning parks, beaches, or streets, creating a healthier environment for all. Number 4, mentor or tutor. Share your skills with children, teens, and adults needing guidance and support. Number 5, be present for family or friends. Sometimes, volunteering begins at home, offering your time, a listening ear, or helping hands to those closest to you. These acts can open your heart, strengthen your connection, and remind you of the power of giving. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you go about your day, carry this sense of connection and purpose. Remember, when you give your time and energy to help others, you transform their lives and enrich your own. You are never alone. Through volunteering, you find community, purpose, and the profound truth that we are all in this together. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May your heart remain open, your spirit remain connected, and your life be filled with the joy of giving. Until next time, take care and remember that even the smallest act of kindness can create waves of love and connection. If you're interested in more tools and techniques to help with anxiety, connection, stress, loneliness, relationship problems, and more, check out my workbook, The Spiritual Warrior Guide to Healing Workbook, which has over 40 tools and techniques with step-by-step instructions for each at my shop at www.everallwellness.ca. Thank you again for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow.